Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Final Fantasy Tactics the Ivalice Chronicles Gamepad or controller not working. So the first method is to restart your PC. For that, go to the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. After restarting, check if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. For that, first you need to connect your PC and controller, and after that go to the Windows search for device manager. Now go below, expand human interface device, select your controller. After that, right click on it, update driver, and click on search automatically for driver. So this will search if there is any update available, and once updating your controller driver, now try to launch the game and see if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable and disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, then click on here you need to select enable Steam input, and after that check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, again come back here, you need to select disable Steam input, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to the Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, check if gamepad is working or not. Next solution is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working. Developers often releases the update on the game and you should download and install it. So when you go to Steam, here you can see that there is an update available. You simply need to update your game, and after updating, then check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if any update is available. After that, check if controller or gamepad is working or not. Next solution is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, you need to go to settings, then click on Bluetooth and device. Now remove your controller from here. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Bluetooth and device, and here your controller or gamepad will be added. You simply need to click on three dot and click on remove device. So after that, restart your system. After restarting, again come back to settings, Bluetooth and device. Here you need to add your device, click on add device, select everything else, and here you need to select your gamepad or controller. After adding it, check if it's working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have provided the link in the description. Just go through it, copy it and paste it in your browser. After opening it, install DS4 Windows tool on your PC. After that, connect to controller and update it. After that, once launch your Final Fantasy Tactics the Ivalice Chronicles game, and then check for the error. So go to the browser. Now after the website opens, here you need to click on download option. This page will open here. From here you need to select and download the DS4 Windows tool. After downloading it, connect your controller and update it, and then launch the game, and then check if the issue is resolved or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Final Fantasy Tactics the Ivalice Chronicles gamepad or controller not working. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.